Now, example number 2. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. A gardener Dania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? Find cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. In the question, there is a triangular path given 3 sides. Gardener wants to plant grass inside it. Then find area of this space. How to area of this space and find cost of fencing. Now, when we do fencing, area in enclose the figure, enclose the surface of this. It is this area. Here she plants the grass. This is triangular path. See, fencing, find the cost of it with barbed wire. Here, fencing do on its boundary, not in the middle. We know fencing is put on boundary. Perimeter barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on the side. This is closed figure. This triangular part. 3 meter gate. Suppose here is a 3 meter gate. It is a 3 meter gate. Then, where fencing is not on gate, it is on here, this side. Then we find the fencing and rate of this wire. 3 sides. Which are these 3 sides? 120, 80 and 50. 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. Use space leaving 3 meter on 50 meter side or 120 meter side. Anyway, here I put, suppose here 3 meters. First we find area. How much area she need to plant? Then we find area. Area of triangular path. Then we find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equals to, what is A? 120 plus 80 plus 50 divided by 2 equals to 250 divided by 125 meter. How much centimeter? How many? 125. We find here S is equal to 125 meter. S minus A equals to 125 minus here I will write A is equals to 120 meter, B is equals to 80 meter, C is equals to 50 meter and cost of fencing is equals to 20 rupees per meter. This information is given, which is given in the question. Here our question started. Now s minus a is equals to 125 minus 120 is equals to 5. S minus b is equals to 125 minus 80 is equals to 45, and s minus c is equals to 125 minus 50 equals to 75. Our formula: area of garden or park where seed plant to grass is equals to where seed plants to plant equals to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Using this formula, put the value s is equal to 125 into s minus a, 5 into 45 into 7. Now find not multiplication of these terms. First factorization, then it is so easy. Then we 125. In which table? 25 threes are here, 25 threes are, and 25 fives are. Sorry, 125. That means 25 fives are and 25 threes are. Then we 25 fives are 125. 5 is to 5. 45. 45 is equal to 3 threes are 9, 5s are 45. And 75, because I want 25 into 3, I want here 9 into 5, then square root of 9 is equals to 3. I write here 3 into 3 into, now 25 square, we write here 25 square into 5 square into 3 square. Then multiplication of remaining terms. 5 threes are 15. Then we write 15 like this. Okay? 25 square, 5 square, 3 square into 5 threes are 15. Now square root of these terms. 25 into 5 into 3. 25 into 5 into 3 root 15. Okay? Square of these terms, then square root of these terms we write here outside of square root and not write square is equal to 25 5s are 125, 125 3s are 375 root 15. What is its unit? Meter square. Area of garden where she to plant grass is equal to 375 root 15 meter square. Now find the cost of fencing. First we find cost of fencing, that means perimeter of space for fencing is equal to its perimeter minus 3. Otherwise you write like this: 150 plus 50 plus 80 minus 3 meter. Minus 3 meter. Here I write 18 here. These 3 meters we minus. Then forget is equals to 250 minus 3 is equals to 247 meters. 247. Now find 3 meter by forget on one side. Find cost of wire. Cost of wire for fencing is equal to 20 rupees per meter. Then we multiply 247 multiply 20 equals to 4,940 rupees. Again this question, there is a triangular part. We have given 3 sides. Find area to grow plants. Then here to grow grass, gardener Dhanya has to put a frame all around, fence all around it, and also plant grass inside. Inside here she wants to fence. First we find perimeter, semi-perimeter, then find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I am using this formula and find area of triangle. See left, living 3 meter side for gate. Then we find space for fencing is equal to sum of measure of all sides minus 3. That means perimeter minus 3. 250 minus 3 is equal to 247 meter. And cost of wire for fencing is equal to 247 multiplied by 40, 20, then answer is 4,940 rupees. Now our example number 2 is completed. Write down in your notebook. Good morning. In last lecture we start our chapter 12 Heron's formula. In this lecture, in last lecture, we learned Heron's formula. What is the formula of Heron's formula? Area of triangle. To find area of triangle, Heron's formula. Yes, under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus A. 40, we use this formula. Then we find, what we first find? Semi-perimeter. Yes, semi-perimeter. What is the formula of semi-perimeter? S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Good. This is our formula. We learned this in last chapter. Oh, then we learned another formula. Area of equilateral triangle. Anybody says me? What is area of equilateral triangle? Yes, root 3 by 4 side square. Okay. Now, example number 3. The sides of triangular part are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Here we have given sides in ratio and its perimeter given. First we find, suppose sides of part is equals to, we write here 3x, 5x and 7x. It is in ratio form, then we write here 3x, 5x and 7x. Perimeter of par. Perimeter of par is equals to 300 meter. Now what is perimeter? Sum of all sides. A plus B plus C, that means 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equals to 300. 3, 5, 8, 7, 15x is equals to 300. Then x is equals to 300 upon 50. X is equals to 20 meter. 20. X is equals to 20. Now we find our sides. Sides are 3x is equals to 3 into value of x is equals to 60 meter. Then we find 5x is equals to 5 into 20 is equals to 100 meter and 7x is equals to 7 into 20 is equals to 100. Here we find sides A, B, C. A is equals to 60 meter. We write here A equals to 60 meter, B is equals to 100 meter and C is equals to 140 meter. Now what we find? What we find here? First we find here semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equals to perimeter divided by 2. Otherwise you write here S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2 equals to 60 plus 100 plus 140 divided by 2. Here it is 300 by 2. Directly you write like this. S is equals to 300 by 2 is equals to 150 meter. Then S is equals to 150. S is equals to 150. Now find S minus A. 150 minus 60 is equals to 90. S minus B equals to 150 minus 100 is equals to 50. And S minus C, 150 minus 140 is equals to 10. Now we apply our formula, Hero's formula. Which is Hero's formula for using for triangle, area of triangle? Under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Then area is equals to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I write here under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C is equals to under root. What is S? S is equals to 150. S minus A, 90. S minus B, 50. And S minus C, 10. Now factorize 150. Then 50 tens are 150. Because here 90 is a multiple of 50. Then I cut here. It is a square. Square of 50. We want square of, we give 90, that means 50. 6 are 50, that means 10 5s are, and here 10. equals to, now it is the square of 15 square, 10 square. What is remaining numbers? Then multiplication product of these numbers. 6 5s are 30, 30 10s are, now it is a factor of 6. Then 3 2s are 6 and factor of 10. 5 2s are 10 here and 5. I want here because it is a factors of. Then we write 15 square into 10 square into 2 square into 5 square. Then we write here only 3. I forget here factors of 6 and factor of 10. Then it is a square of which number? 5 2s are 10, 10 10s are 100, 100 15s are 1500 square into 3 is equals to 1500 root 3. Unit is in meter, therefore meter square. Area of part is equals to, find its area is equals to 1500 root 3 meter square. Okay. Sides are in ratio 3:5:7. Then we say here, suppose sides of part is equal to 3x, 5x, 7x. Perimeter is equal to 300. Then 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. X is equal to 15. Then find all sides. X is equal to 20. 3 20s are 60. 3 5s are 25s are 100 and 27s are 140. Now using our Heron's formula, first we find S and S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, write here formula and then put the value, then factorize them, all the digits, square root of this number 1500 root 3 meter square. Question number, write down in your notebook example number 3.